Hey, this is Haspa with WTI, and this La Cuisine 49-piece barbecue essential toolkit is such a nice thing to have at home. I love that it comes with a grill scrubber, which is nice just to clean everything up once I am done grilling. And I also love these scissors. They're not only scissors, but a bottle opener and also a nutcracker. I also like that it comes with this tongue, which is extra large, and the handles are non-slip. It's perfect. Also, the meat press. I am in love with it. It is great to make hamburgers, to press bacon, and I just love the wooden handle is just sturdy and it looks so durable. I also love the spatulas. They're pretty long and they let me just scrape off anything off the grill or the skillet. And I can say making hamburgers has never been so fun. It was actually my husband cooking and doing all this stuff while I was recording him because I was really excited to see how everything worked. Did you see the melting dome? It's so good to melt your cheese on top of your burger. And I think this is pretty easy to use. I also love the apron. It's oil and water resistant, which is great because that's what we deal with in the kitchen all the time. And the material is pretty nice. I also like that it matches the bag the rest of the things come in. I didn't show them to you because I didn't really need them for the burgers, but look at all these tools. Like, this is a complete set. You don't need anything else. It comes with hooks for organizing, the barbecue tools, the brushes, barbecue sticks, everything you need. Doesn't it look nice? I am in love. And that's my point of view.